Hi beauty, welcome back again. It's your girl Khadijat Ahmad. If you're seeing me for the first time, guys, you are highly welcome. I have this simple head wrap for us. I place the head wrap through the back of my head, then I knot the two lap at the front. Yes, look at the way I open the other lap, yes, to cover my hair because I don't want my hair to be open. Yes, look at, and I bring the other one. Look at the way I hold the other one, and I am going to style it. Yes, I'm going to style it. If you have a small scarf and you think you don't know what to use it to tie, you can give this one a try. It's very, very simple and it fits. Don't say my scarf is too small, I don't know how to style. You can use it to style any kind of style. Look at it, very simple. Yeah, see, look at, you can style it. Look at it. Yeah, so simple and beautiful. Yeah, see, I forget to control the edge. Yes, I forget to use edge control. Look at the back. Yes, very simple and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please like my video, comment, share and subscribe.